Hi, Cole. This is Mrs. Lean. I am so honored and excited that I get to present this year's Teacher's Choice for 11th grade leadership to you, Cole Hinton. I'm so proud of you. Your teachers had a really easy time trying to decide who should win this award because your name came to my head first. You were my very first choice for this award. And then all your other teachers said yes. Cole is such a leader. Even your past teachers. When Mrs. Soliday found out that you won this award, she emailed me and she told me some of the nicest things. And so I have to read to you this email from Mrs. Soliday. I had Cole in class and really enjoyed him. He was one of the hardest working students I have ever had. Cole started off in sixth grade not believing he could do things, but he worked hard and proved to himself that he could succeed. I still have the email his mom sent after I called home to tell her about Cole's passing his MCAs. I believe he actually got an E. From then on, Cole knew deep inside himself that he could do anything he set his mind to, and he helped other students in his class begin to believe in themselves as well. He would tell them that if he could do it, so could they, and some of them did. And even when other students were not working on their assignments, Cole was. Even when other students around him were noisy and off task, Cole concentrated on what he had to do. Cole always had a cheerful demeanor and positive mindset, definitely the hallmarks of a leader. I am so happy he was selected for this award. As you can see, we all agree that you are super, super leader in your class. I think about you in my classes, both in ninth grade and 11th grade. And even when like other kids would start to get off task and do things that maybe they shouldn't have been doing, you kind of just laugh and you're positive about it, but then you move on and you make sure that you get your work done. Um, I've always been really appreciative and in awe of how much you care about school and your work and your assignments. Um, Even now that we're in distant learning, every time you get an assignment turned in, you make sure to email me and let me know that you got it done. I can tell that you care a lot about your education, and other kids see that. They see your positivity and that smile that is always on your face while you're getting your work done too and doing really well in your classes. I think it shows others that they can have a positive mindset about school and still be successful in school while having fun. It's really, really amazing to see. And I hope you know how impressed that your teachers are of you. You're just a really great person, and I really enjoyed getting to know you. You're so friendly and so funny and so hardworking. And I'm just so, so proud of you, Cole. And I'm super bummed that we don't get to finish off this school year together because you're just great to have in class. So thank you for being so great. Congratulations. We are so proud of you. Good luck your senior year next year. Make sure you stop by and say hi because I'm going to miss you. Talk to you soon, Cole.